you know, I've gotten like way closer. Okay, that was a bad one. They went all over the floor, but let's see, how do I draw this thing? Ah, I have an idea. Nailed it. Doesn't that look awesome? I really want to give that a try. I didn't really think it was possible until those videos popped up in my YouTube recommended a few days ago. And both of those guys are extremely talented. Chris Ramsey and 52 Cards are the YouTube channels, and those are the guys I'm using as a tutorial on teaching myself how to do this. So their videos are in the description below. Check them out and see if you can learn it for yourself. I need a project this week that is mobile because we're going to be in Ohio with my wife's family for Christmas. So I need something that I can really bring with me and practice on the plane, in the airport, whatever it is. So I've got a deck of cards. I've got plenty of time on my hands in the airplane and the airport, and I'm going to give this a try and see if I can get it down. So today is the day Megan and I are headed to Ohio with her family. We are about to leave for the airport. It's about 7 a.m. and hopefully we have safe travels and no flights get delayed. It's been snowing all night, so the roads are a little bad, but hopefully we make it.
Going to 1-4. Final point clock. Everybody on the board this time. Thank you.
I don't know how to get it. Go straight. I don't think this is a full deck anymore. I think I've lost like half these. Well, not half, but pretty sure I lost a couple on the airplane.
Oh, really?
Yeah. A couple of them fell into the seat, I think. I can't get my phone far enough away to do anything. I'd have to do everything right here. We have no Sky Mall.
Complimentary reading though. So we can plan our trip to Los Cabos.
Los Cabos, yes, that is in our budget right now,
Yeah.
of course. When I first started doing this, I was using these cards here. These are from a casino, and they used to be used for blackjack. So they're kind of old, they've been used, and the thing is like I figured when I'm bending this, you know, I don't want to be using brand new cards that I really want to keep, so I decided to start with a crappy deck like this. The only problem is that they don't slide out as easy as you think they would. Oops. And also, this is a perfect example. One of the corners of these cards, I found out, is rounded off. And so if you drop them on the floor, which I have done a lot, you have to get them all lined back up so that that rounded off corner, you know, if one card is backwards, you know, so, I mean, it's been kind of a pain in the butt. After flying here to Ohio, I found a different deck of cards. I found a newer set that are much slicker and much better for this. It's been going a lot better. The problem that I've been running into is that it's really hard to get all of these to leave this hand. What happens is I end up getting to like 10 cards at the end and I don't really know how to get them out of my hand. So like, it's just, see, and then I get to there and it's like I have to reposition my hand. So it's really kind of obnoxious, but it's been getting better. I just need more practice at it. So this is kind of like my progress. I'll try to get my hands framed up here, but this is pretty much like the progress I've made so far. So I am getting way closer, and it is coming along a lot better, but it's still very difficult. So Megan and I are in Toledo, and we are headed to the Toledo Zoo for a light show. Her grandparents are sending us. They're big supporters of the zoo. They got tickets for us, so apparently there's a really good light show, and we're gonna go check it out right now. It is like 10 degrees outside. It's a little cold, but it should be a lot of fun. We're really looking forward to it. Haven't been to a zoo in a while, so the nice part about this project too is you can take it with you wherever you want to go, and you can practice, you know, while you're walking around. So it should be a lot of fun to. Turtles are one of the coolest animals in the world. These things are just basically giant spiders, and I freaking hate spiders. Stingrays always look so happy, and then they murder your childhood hero. Why did we come in here? I freaking hate snakes. Oh, it moved. What have you thought of the Christmas lights?
They're very cool.
Yeah?
I like the ones that are going on behind us with the music.
Yeah, it is pretty cool.
Ice bumper cars. Did not know that such a thing existed.
Me neither. So we just got back from the zoo not too long ago, and I've been doing this for about 2 or 3 days straight now. Almost every free moment I've been working on this. I ran into a new problem, and I found out I am not going to be able to get this done this week, and that is that my thumb is incredibly sore. This actually is bending the cards like you need to, actually really makes your thumb tired and sore. And I find that the more I try to do this, it actually gets worse and worse the sorer my thumb gets. So I'm only gonna be able to do this briefly each day, but you know, I've gotten like way closer. Okay, that was a bad one. They went all over the floor, but I am getting much closer to getting it done. My thumb is so tired and so sore on both hands as I've been trying it, so it's not, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it done. This is gonna be a 2-part episode. And also I need to get these cards broken a little more. They're not very flimsy yet. I think I'm done for the day. So we just got back from Ohio last night, and this trick is taking a long time. I practiced it almost during the whole break as much as I could, as long as my hand would allow me to. Maybe it's because I'm left-handed, but it's a lot easier going from my left hand to my right hand, so I've been doing that primarily. We got some great gifts. We had a great trip. Got an Ohio State shirt, which I'm learning to like them. I never really watched college football, but I think I might start now. My in-laws may force me into it. This has gotten a lot smoother. It's still taking a lot of work, and my thumb still gets really tired. Maybe I'm just a wimp, I don't know. But like, as you can see, it's gotten a lot smoother. That was actually still kind of a bad one, but I'm getting a lot better at catching it in one hand, and so I haven't spilled them all over the floor in quite a while. One of them flipped over. If you get too far away, I found out that one of the cards will start to flip over, and you end up with kind of some of the backwards cards. So the problem I'm still running into is that I can't get all the cards out of this hand into this hand. I'm getting pretty smooth at keeping it consistent. Well, that was kind of a bad one too, but I'm getting good at catching them. I haven't dropped any on the floor in quite a while. But the problem is that I can't get those last like 20 cards out of my left hand. I will be posting an update video to this in the future whenever I can get this down well. I'm going to keep practicing during my other projects, and I'll put like a part 2 up when I get this down a lot better. It's come a long way since the first time I tried it in the airport with Megan. So yeah, we'll see what happens. On a side note, I hope you guys had a great Christmas. We are doing a second Christmas this coming weekend with my parents, which is another project that I've been wanting to show you guys for a while, but I can't. We were going to do Christmas with my family a couple weeks ago, and then all of my nieces and nephews got sick, so we had to postpone it. But we are super excited to give them the gifts that we made for them. So yeah, we will be posting that video next week. Next week I am trying to learn how to make mustache wax, which is a quirky project for sure, but should be kind of fun. So until then, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and I will see you next week.